Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. December is officially here, which means it's a great time to give something to your friends and family. We've made it really easy to give something to the makers in your life with limited time holiday gift bundles. In today's video, we're going to go over these bundles and see what comes with them. We're also giving away a maker kit which includes 48 T connectors, so stick around to the end of the video to find out more about that. First, I want to show you the $25 gift bundle, which comes with a $25 e-gift card, one pack of MakerPipe minis, and an all-new digital idea book, which we'll get a sneak peek of shortly. If you haven't seen the minis before, they are miniature scale connectors that you can use with coffee stirrers to replicate the full-size connectors in Conduit, so you can easily visualize and plan out a project. Next up is the $50 gift bundle, which includes 2 packs of minis, a $50 e-gift card, and the all-new digital idea book. We've had a couple of books on the site in the past, but this one is all new with 50 builds rounded up from the community, the Facebook group, social media, and email. The book will be great for getting ideas for projects, and once inspiration hits, there will be plenty of minis to use to model out a build. The $100 gift bundle comes with 3 packs of minis, a MakerPipe tool belt, the digital idea book, and a $100 e-gift card. The tool belt is great because it keeps connectors, hardware, and the tools close by when building and makes projects that much easier. You may want to also use it to store minis because there's over 100 of them included in this bundle. Before we look at the bundle with the best value, let's get a sneak peek of the idea book. Like I said, there's 50 builds and great projects to pull inspiration from in this book, like this crawl space storage shelving that the builder made to utilize crawl space in their home. It's often unused, but they decided to make custom shelving, and it's really great. You can see a materials used list here, along with some details about the build in this little write-up. There's also a great custom workstation build in this book, where they incorporated some great hacks like this sliding drawer for the keyboard, which maximized the space and was perfect. And there's also a great dog bed in this book with simple 4 connectors, couple of accessories, and again, this materials used list and a little bit of a write-up. But all in all, it's just a great book. There's 47 more projects where this one came from, and it's great for getting ideas and inspiration for builds. The next bundle is $250 and includes a ton of free gifts, which in total value around $50. It includes 5 packs of minis, the digital idea book, $250 e-gift card, and the MakerPipe toolkit, which consists of a tool belt, a long ball-ended T-handle hex wrench, and a conduit cutter. If you are the maker in your life or planning something big, then this bundle is perfect. You'll have plenty of minis to plan out a bigger project, and then when it's time to put it together, you'll have the toolkit needed to make it easier. Every gift bundle ships for free to the US and includes an entry into our Maker Kit giveaway. A Maker Kit includes 48 T connectors and is valued right at $150. The giveaway ends when the sale does, and the winner will be chosen at random. If you win, you can give the Maker Kit away, or you can keep it for yourself. We're not going to judge, but Santa may put you on the naughty list. We only have these bundles on the site for a limited time, and if you're thinking about picking one up, I would recommend doing it sooner rather than later, because as you may know, shipping gets kind of crazy this time of year. We want to make sure that you get everything before Christmas. Thanks everybody for watching, and all of us here at MakerPipe want to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.